What is up, guys? Daniel Storm here. Welcome back to another video in the channel. And yes, I'm finally back at Universal Studios Hollywood for another construction update here for Super Nintendo World and everything more coming here to Universal. Over here at the entrance of Universal Studios Hollywood, I know Horror Nights has ended, but in the side of the archway, we have Christmas lights for Grinchmas. They're all setting up here. This is so awesome. I'm finally back then since Labor Day. Over here on top of the buildings of the Universal Studios store, we have Christmas lights, and including we have Christmas lights on top of the archway for Grinchmas. I know no Christmas decorations, not yet at front of the park, or nothing here yet, but they're actually starting to put Christmas stuff in the windows here, which is awesome. All of the holidays will be starting on November 26th, going through January 2nd, and looks like we have Grinchmas stuff. Let's go inside of the store. Oh my god, we have Grinchmas stuff here. Oh, looks like they have my hat. That's awesome. They have my hats here. Merry Grinchmas. We have one of those baby Grinches. Really nice. We have the Grinch plush here holding Max. And here's Max right here. So they pretty much brought back all of the merchandise from Grinchmas from years past. All this area used to be all of Halloween Horror Nights merchandise, but they all removed it. They're all gone like 1 week ago. And yes, sorry that I couldn't even do Halloween Horror Nights, sadly, because it was a separate ticket event and I couldn't be able to go to. Whoa, there's a lot of more merch here. It's so awesome. How much for the Max plush? It's $17. It's not bad. I want to see if this bends. Oh no, wait. Oh yeah, it does bend. Okay, it's hidden. Okay. Because I do have a Grinch hat that I bought like 9 years ago when I was little as a kid. And I have it like in the storage. If you follow my Instagram, I do have a picture of that in my page. Wearing it last year. Of course, the Grinchmas did not happen this last year. But I'm glad that all this is back. We have all these ornaments from the Grinch. This is so awesome. I'm looking forward for Grinchmas 2021 to come. Oh my god, this is so cool. They have some of the props from the How the Grinch Stole Christmas movie. It's actually the Jim Carrey one right here. They have one of the Whoville sets right there, which is, I think, part of the mayor's office, I think. This is so awesome. I know Whoville in the back plot is gone.
Get ready.
Back in the days for Grinchmas, it was like they actually had the Who's and the Grinch dancing on the studio tour, but sadly Who was completely gone now. It was pretty much a bunch of picture cars now. But this is so awesome. All of the Grinchmas stuff is back here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Okay, here's all of the Halloween Horror Nights stuff. They have for 70% off all of these stuff. Oh, I didn't even see this. We have the Bride of Frankenstein's wig. Awesome. We have a bunch of stuff on the Tear Tram, Halloween 4, the Return of Michael Myers stuff here. Yeah. Pretty much sick. And they still have Walking Dead merch, which Walking Dead is completely gone now. Now it's actually completely gone because Horror Nights has ended, and pretty much that was the last time to go on The Walking Dead. Yeah, those are the only stuff I think they have now, because they actually changed the Grinchmas stuff into, yeah. So that's pretty much it in the store. I'm so glad I'm finally back at Universal Studios Hollywood, and yes, Over here at the Universal Plaza, which I'm gonna skip with these old people. Over here at the plaza, they're actually it's actually blocked off right now, right next to Frankenstein. Okay, they're actually setting up for Grinchmas, and I thought that the tree will be up there, but nope, they're not setting up. They're setting up the snow backdrop for Grinchmas right now, which nothing right now at the moment. They're just removing all the stuff from Dia de los Muertos they had in the plaza from Halloween Horror Nights, which nothing right now at the moment. And of course there's a bunch of more Christmas lights they're setting up over here at where it used to be where it's actually called now as City Snack Shop. They have like a bunch of Christmas lights up. No, the Bride of Frankenstein, gosh. It's gone. Well, they have the construction walls now, but yes, the Bride of Frankenstein lives is gone. I never got to experience it, but I've seen videos on YouTube, so they added the walls back. Pretty much earlier this year in the summer, I've been like covering this maze, but now it's got to be getting demolished. Well, bye Bride of Frankenstein lives. I know I didn't even check it out, but hopefully I can able to go to Horror Nights sometimes in the near future. So yeah, we can see a little bit of the back side of Grinchmas right now. They're setting up the snow backdrop. Pretty much I just saw inside, but I'm not gonna be filming in there, so I don't want to get in trouble, but pretty much it's empty, and they're pretty much making a lot of good progress. It's just empty at the moment, but soon we're gonna see the Grinchmas tree up, which I'm looking for Grinchmas to come here. Over here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, there's still no Christmas decorations, but I just saw a video from Theme Park Wizard that, oh, there's some Christmas decorations over at the Butterbeer card, so let's go inside of the land right now. Over here at Hogsmeade, there's actually some more Christmas decorations actually just added up just recently. Oh, the owl's out. Look at the owl. I know, I saw the fire, I know. But look at the owl. Alright, so yeah, they added the Christmas decorations here along down that way. That's so cool. But yes, November 26th, the Magic of Christmas at Hogwarts will be starting on November 26th, along with Christmas time here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. More Christmas decorations over here. Looks like the Tri-Wizard tournament is going on right now. Alright, we're actually gonna go ride on Flight of the Hippogriff as the first ride of the day, and then look at Hogwarts in the afternoon. Remember, November 26th, the Magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle will be starting on November 16th, along with Grinchmas and all of the holiday festivities here at Universal Studios Hollywood. All the way over there, it's actually been confirmed by the Universal Backlot Company that that's got to be, I think 5 or 8 new, I think it's 5 new sound stages are going to be moving over there. And yes, a lot of progress has been happening since I've been away. Yeah, that looks so awesome to see. All right, let's get on the studio tour before it closes.
On the sound stages is not only to block out the noise, but to give us creative control to build whatever we need to do outdoors. It's about to be a little bit bumpy in here. We ask that you remain seated at all times. Hang on to any loose personal belongings.
Looks like the studio tour is already closed now. Right now we're gonna head down to the lower lot to go right on Jurassic or maybe Mummy, or I don't know. We'll head down there right now. Amazing view of Hogwarts at night. I'm looking forward to record the Magical Christmas at Hogwarts Castle, the projection show. I think there is gotta be some fireworks in there. Alright, here's Super Nintendo World. I know it's already nighttime already, but they're doing a lot of progress. They've been putting like a lot of scaffolding around the areas of the Mushroom Kingdom. Not a whole lot of work on the Mario Pipe, which is going to be the entrance of the land. But man, amazing view. And it is foggy, by the way, by the time of recording this video. So yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Of course, I've never been to Horror Nights, so sadly, it's gone. It's gonna be gone like until like December, the entire tent. I remember like pretty much like last year when I started to do construction updates, like through camera to camera. They pretty much left the Texas Chainsaw Massacre like over a year, but now it's finally gotta get removed since like last year when the park was closed. Alright, we're actually gonna go ride Jurassic World the ride at night. Looks like these people are actually want to go on the ride right now. It's, by the way, it's a 10-minute wait. It's gonna be literally a walk-on right now. Yeah, Jurassic World the ride is literally a walk-on. Let's do this. Go on Jurassic.
And help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
Listen to me. Do not panic. If you
So we're just walking up to Springfield. I don't think they're. Whoa! Is this the line for the Lard Lad Donuts? Damn! This is the line for the Lard Lad Donut. I think they want their coffee and their dessert and ready to go. Well, yeah, like my mom just said. All right, God. Yeah, this is the line for the Lard Lad Donuts. And the park will be closing at 7, but I think the people who are in line, they're just gonna be inside of the line, but the people who are trying to get in, they're just closed for them. But yeah, right now we're gonna head out the park. I know there's no Christmas decorations, sadly, or there are a few Christmas lights that are setting up right there. All right, let's head out. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but on the DreamWorks Theater on the building, they actually have Christmas lights setting up. Looking forward, and Donkey is doing his last meet and greets of the night. But yeah, DreamWorks Theater is posted at a 15-minute wait as always. But they're soon gonna put some Christmas decorations up. They still have the red lighting from Halloween Hornets from Demon City on. That's interesting. Those are not those lights they play. But I think they forgot to change the lighting, but that was from Halloween Hornets from Demon City. They had those lights on. And including right here, they still have the red light. They haven't even fixed the lights over here. So this was the scare zone for Halloween Hornets called Demon City. Oh, look at the Christmas elves. I actually forgot about them. Instead of the demons, they're elves now. They're gonna be changing the lights soon and add more Christmas decorations and have everything ready for Grinchmas. But right now, let's head out. Over here at the Universal Studios store here at City Walk, they have all of the advertisements for Grinchmas here. Inside of the store, they have the same merchandise that we saw earlier in this video inside of the park, so I'm not gonna bother to go review all that. I just did this earlier in the video. So let's head out right now. Oh, by the way, before I end the video, there are actually some wires on top. Those are gonna be for Christmas decorations. They're gonna be putting some wreaths on top of those wires. The ones that has with orange shit on it, those are gonna be put up for Christmas wreaths on top of it. Alright, you guys, that'll be it for this video here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I did remember I forgot to record over by Super Silly Funland. There's a lot of refurbishment going on over there, just a bunch of refurbishment paint job. And over at the Simpsons ride, they actually got rid of all of the scaffolding for with the repainting they just did. It looks actually really good. I couldn't tell it at night because it's already dark and I had to project it on. But yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys, here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I will be back for Grinchmas, and Christmas at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter will be starting on November 26th. Make sure to stay tuned for Knott's Berry Farm. I will be back for Knott's Merry Farm. It will be starting on November 19th. I get it right. November 19th through January 2nd at Knott's Merry Farm. So make sure to stay tuned for the channel for those holiday content coming soon to your way. Well, that'll be it for this video, you guys, officially here. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. That'll be it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and the storm is out. See ya.